Hello everyone, this is Catalina from Catalina's Visions. Something that I want to say, if I don't say it now, I may not say it, I may forget. Today I went to a post office, but I didn't like the way the people were speaking about Haitians, like Haitians don't deserve. If somebody deserves something, it's Haitians. I don't say that no other country deserve. But Haitian people always have worked hard to earn what they have. And if Haitian people get to that position that you all know, it was planned against Haitians to get Haitians to the lowest point. Because all they do, whoever act like they're friends with Haitians, they're there. That's what they do. It's tick and tick and tick. They steal, they steal, they steal. They corrupt, they corrupt, they corrupt. And then now, it's Haitian people who are supposed to work to get back to their feet and not accept any other countries involved in whatever that they're taking care of. Haitians is reuniting. And all of you who think about saying anything bad about Haitians are proud people. And Haitians have done things that no other country in the world has done. None of them have done things that Haitian people have done for other countries. When they act like they're doing something for Haiti, they come to destroy Haiti. They don't do anything for Haiti. They act like they come to do something for Haiti. And then they take. They're like blood sucking. How do you call those movies? Vampires. That's what they do. Haitian people were abused from trusting other countries by thinking that they were Haitians' friends. They were never been Haitians' friends. Because all they want from Haiti, it's what Haiti has. And Haiti has a lot. Even though you think, they told you, you don't even search. Haiti has a lot. Haitian people will find a way to develop things that they have in Haiti. And Haitian people don't need any other countries involved in anything, because they are capable of doing whatever possible to rise again. So whenever you think about the blah 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 about Haiti, think twice before you say anything negative about Haitians. Because if you are, I don't care, you are in America or any other country, Haiti had helped gain their independence, Haiti contributed in whatever and still contributing in whatever America or any other country is right now. Haiti had stood by you all. What Haiti received from you is stab on the backs all the time. You never honest with Haiti, with Haitians. You use little people who don't even have their minds to use them against the Haitian people, against the country. But for some of us who have the capacity to think, we're proud. We have the capacity to analyze. It's not gonna be the same anymore. Haitians have done things that anybody, any country in the world have done. It's freedom to all. Haiti come, make things happen for every country that they helped, they died for, they were killed for, to be where they are at right now. Put some respect on Haiti's name or Haitian's name. You're not better than Haitians. Haitians are important as well as you. The same way Haitians respect you, Haitians deserve respect. Because Haitian had done for you, you never done anything for Haitians. So please, when you think about saying something for about Haiti, think it twice. You would never be what you are right now if Haitians weren't there fighting next against you all. Haitians are honest toward anybody that they helped, but you never been. So I hope now you start being what you're supposed to be towards Haitians if you have the capacity. The same way Haitians treat you, you're supposed to treat Haitians with respect. So I am concerned when somebody says something that they shouldn't say about Haiti, about Haitians. Because I am Haitian. And I'm proud. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening. And I hope that you have another mindset about Haitian people, if you're able to. Thank you.